So yeah, I'm just going to run through a couple of quick updates from our end, and then we'll jump into the Q&A. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Marcel Kaustin. I'm the founder and the executive director of the Julian Jaynes Society. And with me today is Brian McVeigh. He was a student of Julian Jaynes and a friend of Julian Jaynes at Princeton University, where he received his PhD in anthropology. He's an expert in East Asia and lived and worked in Japan for many years. He taught for many years at the University of Arizona. He recently got a master's in mental health counseling and is working in that area. And he has published extensively on Julian Jaynes's theory. And as I mentioned, as some of you are coming in with us today also is John Hanley, who has also been very active with the Julian Jaynes Society and spoken at all of the conferences that we've been a part of. And his background is in philosophy. A couple of quick announcements. I want to tell everybody about our new hardcovers we're very excited about. We just got the God's Voices in the Bicameral Mind book out in hardcover for the first time. And it's like a textbook. No dust jacket, everything's printed right on the cover, and they came out really, really nice. So if you don't have that, check it out. We just did the revised edition of the Julian Jaynes collection in this new hardcover textbook style as well. So really excited about those. I think they're going to be really appealing to libraries as well. And I also want to mention Brian McVeigh's latest book, The Psychology of the Bible. And he's got a number of other books on Julian Jaynes's theory, and you can check everything out on the Julian Jaynes Society website. Also excited to tell you, last year we applied for and got our 501c3 nonprofit status. So that was a big development. And for those of you who are members, be sure to write off your membership as a tax-deductible contribution. So that was a big step forward. It opens up a lot of other opportunities for us as well. And just want to thank all the members here tonight for their support. It really helps us a lot and allows us to keep doing what we're doing. Finally, we have two new members of the Science Advisory Board, Dr. Eduardo Casiglia and Dr. Lawrence Sugarman. They're both medical doctors and professors. They both happen to have an extensive background in hypnosis as well. You can read their full bios on the website, but they have both had a long-standing interest in Jaynes's theory, and we're really excited to have them aboard. So let's get started. We'll probably have a lot of questions to go through, so we want to get to everybody. We have a question that we received ahead of time from Susan. Susan asked about the discussion Jaynes has of where he's talking about the different areas that he felt did not explain the origin of consciousness. And one of them was emergent evolution.